Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you this Mamiya Sekor F28TL camera that I have. It comes with a 48mm f2.8 lens. So this is a front condition. This is one side, this is the other side. This is the top, and this is the bottom, and this is the back. So I can tell you that I'm not sure why the shutter cannot be adjusted freely. I'm not sure if it's a defect or if it's a feature, but I just find it very odd. Besides that, I noticed that when I actually put the aperture at the biggest and I fire the thing, how come it become bulb mode? So weird. Okay, anyways, the aperture is not the same each time. So due to its inconsistent nature, I think it'd be hard to actually use it for photography. So I need to sell it as it is. I will put this at a reasonable price, hopefully. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.